Welcome. This video will guide you through viewing Tesla Model 3 dashcam footage, both directly in the car and via USB export. As of 2026, Tesla's integrated dashcam is a key safety feature. We'll cover everything from accessing the footage to understanding its legal implications. To access the in-car viewer for your Tesla Model 3 dashcam footage, start by tapping the Controls icon on the main touchscreen. From the main screen, select Controls to open the Settings menu. Next, navigate to Safety and Security within the Controls menu. Then select Dashcam to enter the Dashcam viewer. The Dashcam menu displays a timeline of your recorded events, showing recent footage from the past few days. Here you'll find a visual timeline showing when recordings were made, with markers indicating specific events or time periods. Tap on any clip or event marker to begin playback of that footage. Once selected, the footage plays back directly on the screen, showing views from multiple cameras, including front, rear, and side perspectives. The viewer includes full playback controls, allowing you to pause, rewind, fast forward, and zoom in on specific details in the footage. You can switch between different camera angles during playback, viewing footage from the front, rear, and side cameras simultaneously or individually. This in-car viewer provides direct access to your dashcam footage with intuitive controls for reviewing any recorded events. The in-car viewer provides intuitive controls for reviewing dashcam footage directly on the touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Dashcam to access the footage. Once in the Dashcam menu, use the timeline to scrub through footage and find specific moments. The system includes pause, rewind, and zoom controls for detailed review. The system retains about 1 to 2 days of continuous footage, or up to 7 days of event-triggered clips, giving you ample time to review incidents. Multi-camera views show synchronized feeds from front, rear, and side cameras, allowing comprehensive incident review. The interface is designed for quick, easy use without needing external devices. To export dashcam footage, start by preparing a FAT32 formatted USB drive. This file system ensures compatibility with Tesla's export process. Insert the FAT32 formatted USB drive into the USB port located in the front trunk of your Model 3. Navigate to the Dashcam menu on your touchscreen by going to Controls, then Safety and Security, then Dashcam. In the Dashcam menu, select the Export option to begin saving footage to your USB drive. Choose the specific event or time range you want to save. This allows you to export only the footage you need. The footage will be copied to your USB drive as MP4 files. Export time varies from 1 to 5 minutes per minute of footage. When exporting Tesla dashcam footage via USB, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, export times can vary based on the length of the clip. Typically, it takes 1 to 5 minutes to export each minute of footage, depending on factors like clip complexity and hardware performance. Additionally, remember that exported footage is not encrypted. This means it could be accessed by anyone who gets hold of the USB drive. Handle it carefully, particularly if it includes sensitive information such as GPS coordinates, speed data, or audio recordings. For best practices, consider encrypting the footage after export or storing it securely. You can also format USB drives directly from the Tesla interface, which is convenient for preparing drives without needing a computer. Always be mindful of USB device security to protect your dashcam data. Tesla prioritizes data localization by storing dashcam footage locally on the vehicle and not uploading it to the cloud by default. This approach enhances privacy and reduces security risks. Be mindful of privacy laws in your region, as dashcams may be disabled where strict regulations apply. Footage is often admissible in court due to its metadata, but consent and ethical use are crucial because it includes audio and location data. Limitations include potential regional restrictions and the need for careful handling of sensitive data like audio recordings and GPS coordinates to avoid privacy violations. Common issues with Tesla dashcam include corrupted footage, which can often be resolved by ensuring your vehicle's firmware is up to date. Tesla addressed export bugs through over-the-air updates in 2025. For USB drive problems, regularly verify that your drive is functioning properly. Format it as FAT32 and test it on another device before use. Remember that storage capacity is limited, typically retaining 30 to 60 minutes of footage per camera in a loop. Export important clips promptly to prevent them from being overwritten. Looking ahead, expect AI integration for event detection, potential remote access features via the Tesla app, though unconfirmed, and increased focus on energy-efficient recording. Tesla's Dashcam system offers a robust, privacy-focused solution for documenting incidents and enhancing safety. Thanks for watching.